Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, GWAN. Make sure to say subscribe down below and join our family. So for today's video, I'm about to install this unit from UNice.com, and I just want to show you guys what I got in my package. Y'all know I love a dressing room when I'm installing my units or just getting ready. I also got some lashes, the elastic band for the wig, and also a wig cap. So the hair that we'll be reviewing today and installing is the new Wear and Go wig. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. It's a 5x5 HD lace, and as you guys can see, the knot's already bleached for you. It's already plucked, and even the extra lace is removed. So this is a curly hair in 24 inches that I got, and it is 150% density. So I'm doing a little shed test, and I did experience a little bit of shedding. This is what inside of the wig looks like, and I'm loving that it has this little, I don't even know what you call it, but it's like something to hold on to the perimeter of your head so you could wear the wig glueless like it's supposed to be worn. It also comes with the adjustable wig band. So first things first, with curly hair, I always co-wash, or I try to co-wash every time I'm about to do an install, especially with this hair. I wanted to see its natural curly state. So when it's wet still, I'm going to use some mousse, and this is going to help me define the hair and also give me like a wet look while the hair is dry. So I just saturate the hair with the mousse all around, and also with co-washing, you remove any type of excess loose hair that might be in the wig. Like, you remove all of that and you limit any shedding that you might experience. So after I co-wash the hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all. Do you see how easily my finger is running through this wig? It's like butter. Okay, so now we're going to use our diffuser to dry the hair, and I'm using the diffuser when drying because with a diffuser, the volume you get in a curly hair is outstanding. It looks so much better than like letting it air dry fully, because when it air dries with the mousse, it gets like a crunchy type of feel because of the type of mousse that I use. So when I use a mousse when the hair is wet, then diffuse it, girl, listen, the volume and the definition of the curl is everything. So once it is dry, I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb just to slick the hair back a bit. I always use a hot comb on my wigs because it just gives that professional, flawless finish. And with the curly hair, I'm not gonna go all the way through with the curls. I'm just trying to like smooth just the roots a bit so that it could lay flat. Like, that's my preference. If you don't want to have that flat looking layage, you don't have to do that. Now over here, we're a lazy girl, and with this wig you do not need to do the ball cap method. Like, I would think that personally, but you could still do it if you wish to. But again, it's just a 5x5 closure, so the quicker way to do it, the easiest way to do it, I'm here for it. So I'm just gonna slick back my hair with some edge control, and just to make sure that everything is slicked back and not in the way, and then I put on my wig cap. So the wig cap is also important, the color. You want to make sure that it matches your scalp so that it gives like a natural look. So now we're gonna adjust the band, which is very important in making sure that your wig stays in place. Then I'm gonna take some foundation powder just to darken the front of my lace a bit, because we want to make sure that it's blended, especially since we won't be using any additional product on our lace, because again, this is supposed to be a wear and go type of wig. So we want to make sure that it is going to be laying effortlessly without doing all the extra stuff. We want to really see if we can wear this outside without gluing it down. So once I adjust the band on the inside, and then also remember the wig has that sticky thingamajig going around the perimeter, so that's supposed to hold the hair in place. And this is what the wig is looking like once I put it on. Now I'm making sure that I have all my combs in. The wig is snugged on my head thanks to the elastic in the back, and now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, it's cute, it's laying, but it's not quite effortless just yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off a little bit extra lace off of it, and this is my preference because I don't like my wigs coming down too far down on my forehead. And also I feel like it's a little bit too uniformed with how the S cut is looking. So you don't want your wig the lace to look uniform. If it's cut straight across, that's gonna be a problem. If it looks too uniform with the cutting, that's gonna also be a problem. So you wanted it to look jaggedy, you want it to look almost imperfect, because if you look at your natural hair lining, it's not perfectly lined. Like, you know, like it's a little jaggedy. So once I did a jaggedy motion, and then I went in with the foundation powder again to match my contour, my face, sis, effortless. There we go, absolutely flawless. And we didn't even use any glue, any sprays, anything. I wanted to make sure that I wasn't spraying anything on this wig. I wanted to make sure that we're not using any mousse on the lace. Like, I just wanted y'all to see the lace just laying down like it's supposed to. So now the next thing that I need to do is to make sure that the scalp is matching. So I want to make sure that I'm hiding my wig cap as best as I can, especially since I was lazy and not use the ball cap method or anything extra. We want to just go in with that same foundation powder and just create the lining. Then I'm going to go in once more with my hot comb just to smooth everything out. So this is like the last finishing touches on it. Now once you do this one time and you take this wig off, you can just pop it right back on, because you did all the little extra steps to make sure that it was customized to your liking. Now I'm just gonna go in with my scissors just to frame my face. If you're a regular here, you know I like the hair to frame my face, especially if it's a center part. Like I need it to frame me a bit. So I'm just fluffing the hair around, playing with it until I am satisfied with the look. But the HD lace, yes ma'am. And another finishing touch that I'm going to do is just take a little bit of mascara and just clean up the part a bit. Like certain areas that is a little bit, you know, too light, I just touch up with the mascara and foundation powder. Just play around with it until you are satisfied. And this is my end look. Like, girl, shake that hair just to show y'all that it's not moving. Like, moving where? She did not move. She did not budge. She stayed in place. So you don't have to worry about the wig not being glued down with the wind be blowing an ish, because it's so snugly fit. The wig is staying. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. All the details will be in the description box below. I got it in 24 inches and this is their 5x5 HD lace. Thank y'all so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at damthatschev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.